So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. Right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in display settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, if your correct monitor shows up here, then you want to select it and then tick make this my main display. You can expand multiple displays and then tick make this my main display. And now you're going to scroll down. Make sure that you have your scale on the recommended option. Display resolution also on the recommended option. Your display resolution is correct as well. And then click on advanced display. Make sure that you have your correct monitor selected if it appears here. And then make sure that your refresh rate is also correct. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in run. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and click on enter. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. If you get something like this, you're going to click on skip this fix and then click on enable. Wait for this to load. And then once troubleshooting has been completed, you now just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.